Have you ever pondered the significance of embarking on your investment journey while you're still young? The financial world can be intimidating, but it's an indispensable component of our lives. By taking the plunge early, you are setting time as your ally. Investments, you see, have a tendency to expand exponentially over time, a principle known as compound interest. This is where your interest starts earning interest, creating a snowball effect that can dramatically increase the value of your investment over the years. And it's not just about compound interest. Starting your investment journey young equips you with a higher tolerance for risk. With time on your side, you can afford to take calculated risks, which often come with higher returns. You can withstand short-term market fluctuations, knowing that you have the time for your investments recover and flourish. Furthermore, by starting young, you give your money the most significant potential to multiply, leading you towards your long-term financial goals. Be it buying your dream house, planning for retirement, or just creating a safety net for yourself, starting to invest at an early age can be the key to achieving these objectives. The younger you are when you begin your investment journey, the more time your money has to generate returns, a potent and often underestimated concept. So let's delve deeper into this fascinating topic and unravel this financial mystery, learning about its immense potential to transform our lives. Imagine a snowball. It starts small at the top of a hill, embarking on a lengthy descent down its snow-covered slope. Initially, it's rather insignificant, just a small sphere of snow, rolling, spinning, and descending. Yet, as it continues on its path, something remarkable occurs. The snowball begins to grow. It accumulates more snow, gradually increasing in size and speed. With each roll, it gathers more and more, evolving from a small sphere into a massive, rolling force of nature. In the financial realm, this snowball analogy beautifully represents the power of compounding. Is an intriguing financial process where the returns on an investment start generating their own returns. It's akin to a tree bearing fruits, which in turn bear their own fruits, leading to an exponential growth of produce over time. It's the magic that happens when the earnings from your investment start earning. To illustrate further, let's consider a real-world example. Suppose you invest $1,000 with an annual return rate of 5%. After the first year, you would earn $50, making your new total $1,050. Now, in the second year, you're not just earning 5% on your initial $1,000, but also on the $50 you gained in the first year. So, your return for the second year would be $52.50, making your new total $1,102.50. As the years pass, this progress continues, each time calculating returns on a larger total amount. This is the snowball effect in the world of finance, a powerful progressive growth that can turn a small initial investment into a substantial sum over time. And just like a snowball needs a hill and snow to grow, compounding requires time and reinvestment of returns to fully exhibit its magic. Let's visualize this scenario. Two individuals, Alex and Jamie, resolve to plunge into the complex universe of investments. At a young age of 25, Alex is filled to the brim with enthusiasm and an insatiable desire for financial prosperity. He starts investing immediately, dedicating a specific portion of his income annually to various investment channels. His choices are diverse, from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds. He dips his fingers into multiple pies. On the other hand, Jamie, possessing an equal amount of eagerness, enters the investment arena a decade later at the age of 35. Like Alex, Jamie also has an identical sum of money to invest each year, and he too makes similar investment decisions, dividing his money among the same range of investment options as Alex. Both of them encounter the same investments, and there is a certain consistency in their financial resources year after year. However, as time unfurls its wings and they both arrive at the age of 65, a pronounced difference is evident. Alex, who had embarked on his investment journey a decade earlier, finds himself with a treasury significantly larger than Jamie's. The explanation? The compelling phenomenon of compounding. Those extra 10 years that Alex had, they were not just 10 calendar years. Instead, they were a decade filled with opportunities for growth, for his money to work for him, and for his investments to accrue exponential returns. It is here that we see the colossal power of taking the plunge early, of allowing compounding to work its magic over extended periods of time. This comparison between Alex's investment journeys clearly illustrates the incredible power and benefits of starting your investment journey as early as possible. So, what are the common short-term concerns that cause many young people to overlook this golden opportunity? The majority of them are struggling with immediate financial burdens. These often include monthly bills, student loans, rent or mortgage payments, and everyday living expenses. The stress of meeting these daily expenses leaves little room for forward-thinking financial planning. This short-term financial vision obscures the potential advantages of a regular, long-term investment approach. It's no surprise that the future can become hazy when the present is brimming with such trials. But how can one overcome these hurdles? The first step could be to establish a precise monthly budget, which can help control day-to-day expenditures. It's also crucial to start setting aside a small portion of income for long-term investments, even if it seems insignificant at first. Over time, these regular contributions can multiply, paving the way for future financial stability. The key is to maintain a balance between managing immediate financial obligations and preparing for long-term financial goals. In essence, nurturing an acute foresight for long-term investment and making consistent contributions over time can carve the path towards future financial security. Widely utilized long-term investment options such as 401(k)s, index funds, and individual retirement accounts, also known as IRAs, are fantastic avenues for novice investors. They provide substantial returns, and with the backing of the federal government, are seen as a dependable choice for investments. 401(k)s are retirement accounts offered by employers. The advantage here is that it allows you to contribute a portion of your pre-tax salary, which your employer might match up to a certain percentage, effectively doubling your investment. The money invested in a 401(k) isn't taxed until it's withdrawn, which usually happens after retirement. Index funds, on the other hand, are a type of mutual fund with a portfolio designed to match or track the components of a market index. They offer broad market exposure, low operating expenses, and low portfolio turnover. These funds adhere to specific standards or rules rather than relying on professional portfolio managers to choose and manage investments. IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, come in two primary types: traditional and Roth. Traditional IRAs allow you to make contributions with money you may deduct on your tax return, and any earnings potentially grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. Roth IRAs, however, let you contribute after-tax dollars, and your money may potentially grow tax-free, with tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Each of these investment vehicles carries unique advantages geared towards different financial goals and risk profiles. Specifically, they are designed to facilitate the long-term financial aspirations of young investors, facilitating the creation of a diverse investment portfolio. These strategies offer not only tax benefits, but also allow your money to multiply over time, capitalizing on the power of compounding. Yet, remember, investing, like everything else in life, carries its own set of pitfalls. These traps can take many forms and can vary in severity, each posing a different level of risk that can potentially throw your financial journey off course. There are several common errors that investors, particularly those who are new to the financial world, tend to fall into. One of these pitfalls is the tendency to delay investment decisions. Procrastination can hinder your financial growth, and it's crucial to understand that the perfect moment to invest rarely presents itself. What's required is a timely decision, backed by thorough research and market analysis. Another common mistake is harboring unrealistic expectations. Many new investors enter the market expecting instant high returns. However, the reality often lies in patience, resilience, and diligent research. Remember, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic process that requires time and patience to yield substantial results. Emotions can also cloud judgment and significantly impact investment choices. Allowing sentiments like fear and excitement to dictate your investment decisions can lead to impulsive actions and losses. It's important to develop emotional resilience, rational and informed decisions based on market facts, not on feelings. These challenges are particularly daunting for young novice investors who are yet to learn the intricacies of the financial market. It's paramount to approach investing with caution, remain vigilant of these common pitfalls, and develop strategies to avoid them. Staying committed to your financial vision, maintaining a clear focus on long-term goals, and developing the skills to navigate short-term market fluctuations can help mitigate these risks and steer your financial journey in the right direction. To wrap it up, this narrative carries a fundamental yet powerful message. Indeed, the crux of the matter lies in the commencement of your investment journey. The absolute importance of starting early cannot be stressed enough. Let the magic of compounding take its course and marvel at the results. One cannot overlook the colossal role that time plays in this process. Time is the strongest companion of a young investor, the silent partner in the creation of wealth. The more time you allot to your investments, the more room you give for the growth phenomenon to unfurl. Delaying isn't an option in this pounce on the opportunity and take that initial step, no matter how minuscule it may seem, to kick off your investment journey. The power of starting early in investment holds the key to your financial success. Remember the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the next best time is indeed today? Well, this is true not only for planting trees, but also in the realm of financial investment. The earlier you start, the more your investment has a chance to grow, and the more you can benefit from the magic of compounding. This might sound complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward. The earnings from your investments generate additional earnings, and this cycle repeats itself. This causes your initial investment to expand at an increasingly rapid rate. The crucial part is to begin today. It's never too late to embark on the journey towards financial independence. Let the power of compounding be your compass, your guide to a secure financial future. So take the plunge and start investing today.